Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I am in you and you in me, mutual in divine love. I love you more than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow. With you, I am home. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. I have waited for this opportunity for more than half a century to repeat to you once again my vow of eternal fidelity and everlasting love. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. Your voice is my favorite sound. You make my heart smile. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. When I follow my heart, it leads me to you. I wish I could turn back the clock. I'd find you sooner and love you longer. I just want to lay on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. True love is rare, and it's the only thing that gives life real meaning. My love for you is a journey, starting at forever and ending at never. You're my person. If I know what love is, it is because of you. You are my heart, my life, my one and only thought. I never want to stop making memories with you. You're the one I've been waiting for. You are my favorite notification. If I had a flower for every time I thought of you, I could walk through my garden forever. When I'm with you, hours feel like seconds. When we're apart, days feel like years. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. I didn't choose you, my heart did. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. You had me at hello. I love you more than I have ever found a way to say to you. You are the finest, loveliest, tenderest, and most beautiful person I have ever known, and even that is an understatement.